Top hydrating foods for kidney health. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining kidney health. While drinking enough water is vital, certain foods can also support hydration and help the kidneys function more efficiently. These water-rich foods not only keep you hydrated but also provide essential nutrients that benefit overall kidney performance. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the top hydrating foods for kidney health. 1. Cucumber. With over 95% water, cucumber is an excellent hydrating food. It acts as a gentle diuretic and helps flush toxins from the kidneys. 2. Watermelon. Rich in water and L-citrulline, watermelon improves blood flow and supports kidney filtration. It's also naturally low in sodium. 3. Celery. Celery contains water, potassium, and sodium, which help maintain fluid balance and support kidney function. 4. Blueberries. These small berries are packed with antioxidants and water. They help reduce inflammation and protect kidney tissues from damage. 5. Lettuce, romaine or butterhead, low in oxalates and high in water. Lettuce is a kidney-friendly leafy green ideal for hydration without increasing stone risk. 6. Coconut water, a natural electrolyte drink. Coconut water hydrates quickly and supports kidney function, though it should be limited in advanced kidney disease. 7. Zucchini. With nearly 95% water, zucchini is low in potassium and easy to digest, making it ideal for renal diets. 8. Pineapple. Pineapple offers both hydration and the enzyme bromelain, which helps reduce inflammation and supports detoxification. 9. Cauliflower. This cruciferous vegetable provides water, vitamin C, and detox-supporting compounds that benefit kidney health. 10. Apples. Apples offer hydration, fiber, and pectin, helping reduce blood sugar and cholesterol, two factors linked to kidney disease. Incorporating these top hydrating foods for kidney health into your diet can naturally support your kidneys and improve overall wellness. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.